laying down, ball is overhead, back is down. I push my lower back into the floor, and then come here. Oh, what do you? No, don't shoot me, Harley. No, chew. That's mommy's ball, baby. That's mom. No, Harley, don't. You guys, I love you, babies. You're my baby. Ah! No. Okay, Lula. Okay, you're gonna hurt mommy. Okay, I know you love me. I know, and I love you too. I know I love you too, my baby. I love you both. Yeah. Can you just let mommy finish her video? Okay, okay, I love you. All right, come on. Let's go. All right, good girl. All right, let's try that again. Overhead. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So my ball is overhead. I'm laying out flat. Knees are up, resting on my heels. And I have my core engaged, my back lowered down to the floor. Really? You're not going to let mama finish this? You want the ball. You can't have the ball. Okay, do I have to put you in the crate for a little bit until mama can finish her video? No, Harley. No. Come on, baby. Come on. Let mama finish. All right? Okay, let's go. And we'll keep a slight bend in our knees. And for this one, we are going, now this, you can use a loop, 3, 2, 1. For this, I am staying with the light band only because it is a bicep curl, and I have to be careful with the left bicep. So, we have our arms out to the side, and we now have a golden doodle here. Okay, baby. Okay, all right. Mama loves you. Yeah, mama loves you. No. Okay, go on, baby. Go on. All right, go on, Harley, baby. Okay, come here. I give you hugs and kisses. Oh, yeah, I love my girls. Okay, all right. Okay, babies. All right, go on. All right. So, and make sure you have even sides, and we do. And this is the light band, but I think I'm going to need the other band, 3, 2, 1. But I think I'm going to need to go up with this. But I'm going to cross my legs on this one, but you can do whatever you want. And we are just going to grip it down until you have the right amount of tension. And I just squeeze the ends. And we're going to go up. You can keep your legs up if you want.